Here he comes. Mark, you won't know. Surface on it, and they had the D's on the back.
Yeah.
Who decides to put the D's on the back? The operator on the road track?
I'm not really sure. I think it's more the operator. I mean, they do it for this because of these reasons here and for providing the power. But, you know, we don't need it on back. I mean, when we're running our own trains, unless we're needing it for heat, we never put it on.
Yeah.
I mean, it just adds the equivalent to 4 carriages in weight, doesn't it?
The British Pullman's got its own generator, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I don't know, is it?
Yeah.
I don't know, they probably
They only have the diesel on the back during the winter when it's slippery. That's on this run.
Yeah.
This is the road track.
Yeah, it might be, I don't know. Right, I'm going to go and see my chaps at the front. I'll catch you a bit later on.
Yep.
Right.
Thank you.
I've only come here, so this might be Colin's last run, so the traffic inspector. Because he said he's going to do 1 or 2 tornadoes and he's retiring. He used to drive train lines years ago. Yeah. Over 50 years he's been on the railway. Little short lad, like me.
What's the say word?
Eh?
What's the say word?
It's not my fault I've got ducky feet. You know what that is, don't you? The arse is too near the curb.
Where are you?
Who's the driver? Is it going to be Jim? Jim Clark? Because his dad Don Clark's going to take over from Colin at TI.
Someone is there in green.
Eh?
Someone singer in green.
All right. All right, Jim. All right, Colin.
Hello.
You're terribly smart.
Yes.
How are you? You're
We're
right.
trying to, yes.
Good.
Morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
Rob, I'll let you deal with the lights.
Yeah.
Jim. Just ballast notice.
Ballast lights?
You know what I mean?
Now, is this going to be your last one or not?
Slim.
No, I don't think so.
You've got 12
You don't think so?
Okay, you've got radio. You've done the
Like a bad penny kick coming back.
Is it right what I've heard that Don's going to be a TI
Not what I know.
coming back?
No, I haven't heard that. But
Well, I've been told that. I don't know, can't remember who.
no, I don't know if he wants to. I don't think his wife was happy about him doing it. I don't know. I mean, he's ideal bloke.
Oh, I know. Like you. We'll miss you though when you go.
Shall I tell him that then? No, I'll pass it, yeah. Right then, lovely job. Right then, okay.
I'm dressed now.
Well, I've got to take the beats off first.
Oh, yeah. Got it then.
Is it right while here your dad's going to be a TI?
Just thinking about it.
He's thinking about it, yeah. Because we're going to lose Colin, aren't we? Be sad to see him go.
Yes.
you've got some of the roads staff, you've got some of the plan line staff with it.
Yeah, they're going to be crewing it as well.
Are they? Right. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you are using that shed, aren't you?
Yeah, but it's still under the same line today. It's all been subcontracted to Nova.
Yeah, I know.
I suppose they're in control.
But you and plan line cover free cover anyway, don't you?
Yes, yeah.
That's it, she's got the road now.
She's got green as well.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Here he comes. Mark, you won't know. Surface on it and they had the D's on the back.
Yeah.
Who decides to put the D's on the back? The operator on the road track.
I'm not really sure. I think it's more the operator. I mean, they do it for this because of these reasons here and for providing the power. But you know, we don't need it on back. I mean, when we're running our own trains, unless we're needing it for heat, we never put it on.
Yeah.
I mean, it just adds the equivalent to 4 carriages in weight, doesn't it?
The British Pullman's got its own generator, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. They probably
They only had the diesel on the back during the winter
Yeah.
when it's
Okay.
slippery. That's on this run.
Yeah.
This is the road track.
Yeah, it might be. I don't know. Right, I'm going to go and see my chaps at the front. I'll catch you a bit later on.
Yep.
Right.
Take care.
And you.
I've only come here because this might be Colin's last run. So the traffic inspector. Because he said he's going to do 1 or 2 tornadoes and he's retiring. He used to drive train like years ago. Yeah. Over 50 years he's been on the railway. Little shortcut, I like me.
What's the say word?
Eh?
What's the say word?
Well, it's not my fault I've got ducks and beans. You know what that is, don't you? The arse is too near the curb. Who's the driver? Is it going to be Jim? Jim Clark? Because his dad, Don Clark's going to take over from Colin at PI.
Someone there in green.
Eh?
Someone there in green.
All right. All right, Jim? All right, Colin?
Hello.
You're terribly smart.
Yes.
How are you? You're
We're
right.
trying to, yes.
Good.
Morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
I'll let you deal with the lights.
Jim, just ballast notice.
Ballast
You know
lights?
what I mean?
Now, is this going to be your last one or not?
Slim.
No, I don't think so.
You've got 12
You
volt.
don't think so?
Okay, you've got radio. You've done the
Like a
detector.
bad penny kick coming back.
Is it right what I've heard that Don's going to be a TI
No,
coming back?
Right. No, I haven't heard that. But
Well, I've been told that. I don't know, can't remember who.
no, I don't know if he wants to. I don't think his wife was happy about him doing it. I don't know. I mean, he's ideal bloke.
Oh, I know. Like you. We'll miss you though when you go.
Shall I tell him that then?
No, I'll put on
Little pass it, yeah. Right, lovely job. Right, okay.
I'm dressed now.
Well, I've got to take the beats off first.
Oh yeah, got it then.
Is it right what I hear your dad's going to be a TI?
Just thinking about it.
He's thinking about it, yeah. Because we're going to lose Colin, aren't we? Be sad to see him go.
Yes.
You've got some of the roads staff, you've got some of the clown line staff with you.
Yeah, they're going to be crewing it as well.
Are they? Right. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you are using that shed, aren't you?
Yeah, but it's still under Claymant's name. It's all been subcontracted to Nova.
Yeah, I know.
I suppose they're involved.
But you and clown line cover free cover anyway, don't you?
Yes, yeah.
That's it, she's got the road now.
She got green as well.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.